All right, y'all. This is the founders room. Across the room, we have pictures of the incredible and important figures that helped to found the house, such as our founders, Donald Ogilvy, Armstead Robinson, and Glenn Dishabert. But besides that, this is just a nice place to chill, study, grab some snacks, and kind of find your place in the community. All right. And here is the E-room. Currently, there is an African drum circle going on, a little practice. But in this group, or in this room, a lot of different events will happen, our meetings, different cultural groups will meet here. It's a nice, large space. And yeah, a wonderful event is going on right now, but this room is for all of you guys that you can reserve and book. This is the library. We have a wonderful group meeting here. You can see they're talking about some criticism and opinions. So yeah, this is another space that y'all can reserve and use just like they are. All right, everyone, welcome to the art gallery. So currently we have a lot of pieces of art up. Most of these are just posters. The art gallery is used to display art from all over the community, especially students, undergraduate students at Yale. You can find a lot of organizations such as YGC, which I usually see in here, using the space to rehearse, but also people just come here to look at the art. It's a gorgeous place. It's nice. There'll be art rotating throughout each month, thanks to our wonderful art team, and we'd love to see you guys here checking out the art. This is the BK room, dedicated to the Black Church at Yale. As you can see, YGC is also using this space, and this is just another beautiful space that y'all can use to reserve and kind of host your events and stuff like that. So y'all, we're in the lighting room. The lighting room is where a lot of events are held, lots with the TV. I mean, sometimes you can find the Nintendo Switch up in here, play some games, watch some TV. Right now we have some people just chilling, but you can see it's a large room. There's even beanbags over there. But yeah, and yeah, we'd love to see you guys here. So along the walls as we walk down, these are a lot of notable people that have done incredible things to contribute to the legacy that is the house. It's wonderful that their pictures are up here. You can walk by, see them. You can scan the QR code to learn more about them. But yeah, you can see all types of black icons, black figures here, lots in music, lots in pop culture. It's just a beautiful room. Murals continue to be added to it. And this is a really nice place to meet. You don't even have to really formally book it out. You guys can just come here to study. So we have Kachatown here. But this is the purple room because it's purple. Um, it's really nice. As it says on the walls, good vibes, smells good. And there's a bunch of like knitting material and stuff like that to color, just to really get your mind off of the stresses at school. So this is a nice place to just come and relax, as we can see. This is the end of the tour. Thank you guys so much for coming along. We've shown you a couple of the spaces. There are a little more nooks and crannies along the house, but yeah, we'd love to see you guys here, and thank you for watching.
Comment, follow, like, comment, subscribe. Tell us your favorite part of the spiel, favorite part of the video, and we'll get back to you shortly.